Belmont Pan-Asian Coalition formed in 2021 during the spring when there was a spate of anti-Asian incidents. This was during the COVID. We didn't really feel that we had a group that represented all of the different Asian communities in Belmont. So we wanted to bring our communities together. So we formed, it was really very grassroots, and we're proud to have a variety of cultural backgrounds in our organization, both in our membership and also in our board. We have Chinese, Taiwanese, Korean, Vietnamese, and Filipino, Indian, and so and our membership also includes like Tibetan, Nepalese, and Cambodian, and Japanese, and so we have like a variety of people in our membership. We initially heard about the rolling motorcade from the Chinese American Heritage Foundation, and we thought that we could be a stop on their parade and also make it into a festival to celebrate all the different heritages. And also we felt it was really important to have this event in Belmont Center where everybody could attend, instead of having it, in a small location where, probably just other Asians would attend. So this is an event that, everybody can come to, and it's become like a social event that people will see each other and they'll say, "Oh, I saw you here last year." So, I think it helps. It's another event that brings our town together and sort of helps, sort of integrate the Asian communities into the rest of Belmont instead of having us be off, segregated.
I think the first year was the most exciting because the first year we're in the middle of the pandemic and people were a little depressed and stressed because they were all at home. So we really want to bring cheers, to the surrounding community because we think that the suburban community is just as important as the Chinatown community. So we see this as a bridge bringing the two communities together. And I think it's great to have like Miss Chinese Boston, have other leaders come. And the first 4 years, we actually had a veteran as our Grand Marshal. So this year, actually, Ray Flynn is also a veteran too, but Ray Flynn is late, pretty old, so he can't travel to all these cities. But I think you remember 2 years ago, Woody Woodhouse was here, and he is like 98 years old. I'm just like, so we try to be respectful to our veterans and to highlight the accomplishment, the patriotism, and the loyalty of our Chinese American veterans that serve our country. So it's just really good. I mean, Belmont does a really great job, so we're always happy to come to Belmont.